UNDP is leading the early recovery work. We are part of the flash appeal which the UN humanitarian system has issued. We're looking for around $35 million from donors to support precisely this cash for work scheme. We think it's critical for helping get some return back to people getting on with having the money to live, having a job, being focused on the clean-up and rehabilitation of their country. It's got so many positive aspects to do this sort of work.